What are you doing in there, Cinnamon, in the Lazarette?
Scraping the old fin to keep it make it ready for
Yeah, what about underneath your foot there? What's under your foot?
fiberglass.
Yeah, what did you do there?
It was a marine wood up here, so we're trying to cover up with the fiberglass.
Yeah, was that your first time doing it?
Yeah, I did.
How'd it come out?
Huh?
How did it come out?
Sa over there, yeah, may some filling up.
Okay, so we just need to put some more resin down there, huh? All right, you can see the general condition of the Lazarette here. It just needs a good scraping and coat of bilge coat. So we're doing that.
Doing good.
So the stern thruster batteries were on this board, which they pushed all the way up against the plate that holds the top of the rudders. So you can't get into the rudder stuffing boxes to check and tighten them. It's very difficult. You at least pull the batteries, which sucks. And then they did put this across this weight, across this span with no support. So you can see this board, it's actually cracked underneath and it's been bending and flexing for a while. So we're gonna make a smaller board and bring it back. We're gonna have it all the way against the wall. So we cut this piece over here of marine plywood and we'll put this gusset across it and we'll screw it and use fiberglass resin, and then I'll glass the back side of it so it won't try to separate in the middle from the bending. And hopefully that's going to be a better arrangement for us. Well, we're still working in the Lazarette. We cleaned up a lot. Cinnamon's done a really nice job repainting. I built a new board for the stern thruster batteries and fiberglassed it. It's reinforced, it's got support, so if you step on it, it isn't going to bend or break anymore. And also I moved it back so you can still get to the stuffing boxes to work on them. We cleaned up some stuff with the hydraulic steering. The tie bar had hoses running in the middle of it and it wasn't even on right, so we fixed that. We found a couple of leaks we're dealing with also from some through holes. And Cinnamon is finishing up on some bonds over on the starboard side. There's a bond that was missing that she's going to put in and tie it back into the base of the rudder there. Almost done, and we're both tired. We finally got all the stern thruster stuff put back together here, so we can service our rudder stuffing box now properly. Looks like I need to put a little one crank on each side. There's a little more seepage than there should be. And we can get to everything there, the hydraulic lines. Even if I need to take this board out, I can just pull the batteries and then unscrew it, which is nice. Got the fuse. I redid all this cabling. I didn't really want to rerun the negative because it's like 15 bucks a foot for that cable. Maybe I will later if I can't stand looking at that, which would be cool to bring it around this way. Got a new solenoid, had to move and mount. And we've got our battery charger for the stern thruster batteries. It was like way down here. I put it up as high as it would go. And that should keep it protected. I mean, there's no water down here anyway. But I think it'll be happy where it lives. The fan output's actually here, not up here, so it shouldn't have a temperature buildup problem either. Anyway, good stuff. And it works, by the way. Oh, and here's the actual thruster, of course, it's back there.